Simply drop us a line at help@jasminestar.com if we can help you in any way, or if you have any questions, we're here for you.
Let's do that. Sorry, just.
No, I tried. Did you hear me like, go, get it done? Oftentimes I create videos that are full of advice and how-tos, like how to take better photos, how to grow your Instagram, how to revive your Facebook page. But this video is different. Instead of more content, I want to have an honest conversation about what it means just to stop running, what it means to stop doing all the things, and simply start thinking all the things. So this is me having a real conversation with you and with myself. Okay, so a few weeks ago, I had a meeting with my mentor, and he asked me why I create video after video of tutorials and helpful content. And I stopped walking and I turned to him and I said, I just want to help people. I want to help people build a business of their dreams so they can live a life they love. I want to help people be inspired and live a life of passion. Okay, he said, but then he asked me a simple question. Do you think that by you making video tutorials, people will just start magically building the business of their dreams? And then I had to answer honestly, no. It was in that moment that I realized I could literally show you everything I do in my business and everything I do on social media. And I could even show you my bank account, but that wouldn't get you closer to your dream. Sure, my tips, tricks, and helpful advice could get you closer to success, but they wouldn't make you a success. Your success only comes from you. What it takes for your dream to come to life is the sheer dedication to show up every day. That's it. You need to show up for your business on social media and believe that you can make a difference simply by connecting with one person. That's it. Just one. You need to believe that what you have to offer is perfectly made for your dream customer. You don't need to have tens of thousands of followers. You don't need to have awards. You don't even need to be the most standout business in your industry. All you need to do is connect with your followers in a real way. Talk with them, not to them. Have your photos and captions make your business real to them, not just another average business marketing to them. Making your dream business come to life is simply showing up every day, starting conversations with customers, and showcasing what makes your business unique. I believe you have something special to share with the world, and I believe your business is perfectly suited for your customers. Now, all you have to do is show it off.